Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over how to add Discord audio to OBS Studio in 2025. So what you want to do is once you've opened up OBS Studio, you want to head over to Sources and then you want to click the plus sign and you want to click Application Audio Capture. Now once you've done that, you can name it to Discord if you like, and what you want to do is you want to select the discord.exe window. Discord has to be currently open for this to pop up, and once you select that, you will be able to then view the Discord tab right here where you can adjust the audio. Now, as you can see, nothing's currently being played because I'd have to go into a server and join a general VC or whatever, so that audio will be played. So let's say I go into one right here. Then, as you can see, there's audio that will be read during my VC in the server. So, if that helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like these. Thanks and goodbye.